Prevost Loki Motorhome. The Prevost Loki Motorhome redefines luxury travel by transforming Prevost's renowned H345 coach into a breathtaking mobile mega mansion. From exterior plume to cabin finesse, it exemplifies elite craftsmanship, technical innovation, and eco-conscious autonomy. Interior design: Scandinavian-inspired aesthetics shine through minimalist wood cabinetry, plush furnishings, and abundant panoramic windows, creating a serene yet upscale ambiance. Residential-level amenities: equipped with 2 full baths, 2 spacious kitchens, including dishwasher and induction stovetop, washer-dryer, and multiple lounge and bedroom setups centered around a king-size bed. This coach rivals high-end homes. High-tech energy autonomy. A comprehensive power suite includes up to 96 kilowatts of Volta lithium battery capacity, over 2 kilowatt of rooftop solar, dual 10 kilowatt inverters, and triple alternators, enabling 24 to 36 hours off-grid operation, even charging EVs via built-in level 2 charger. Smart controls and entertainment. Control systems feature up to 10 Garmin touchscreens, electronic privacy glass, motorized slide-outs, LED illumination, and up to 3 65-inch TVs, including indoor-outdoor viewing and a pop-down theater setup. Built for adventure, Loki retains rugged capability, 4 HVAC units, wheelchair accessibility, outdoor entertainment setups, and sturdy storage make it ideal for remote expeditions. Bespoke and exclusive. Starting prices near $2 to $2.5 million reflect extensive customization, limited annual production, 10 units, and clientele including executives, athletes, and touring professionals. 2025 Renegade XL X45 DBM. The 2025 Renegade XL X45 DBM redefines luxury and performance in the Super C motorhome class. Built on a robust Freightliner Western Star chassis with a powerhouse Detroit DD16 engine delivering 600 horsepower and 1,850 pound-foot torque. At nearly 45 foot long, this quad-slide coach offers residential comfort paired with road-ready durability and towing capability up to 30,000 pounds. Stepping inside reveals a sanctuary of refined design. Italian leather seating, hardwood maple cabinetry, and polished quartz countertops with butcher block covers, all accentuated by some 24 inches heated porcelain tile flooring. The spacious layout includes a rear king-size memory foam bed, booth dinette, sleeper sofa, love seat, plus a bath and a half, designed to host up to 8 comfortably. Technology and automation enhance convenience and efficiency. A 4-point hydraulic leveling system with app control, multiplex system, Starlink connectivity, 360 degrees camera view, and a 50-ampere shore power retractable cord are all standard. Off-grid enthusiasts will appreciate the energy suite. A 12.5 kilo, Onan diesel generator, 4 high-capacity lithium batteries, 6 200-watt solar panels, dual 3,000-watt inverters, and aqua-hot hydronic heating extend freedom in remote locations. Outdoors, dual Girard power awnings, underbody LED mood lighting, and a premium exterior entertainment center with a 43-inch Samsung 4K TV and Bose soundbar ensure both style and comfort. American Eagle. The 2025 American Eagle by American Coach stands as the pinnacle of luxury in the Class A diesel motorhome market, a moving estate designed for discerning travelers who demand residential comfort on the road. Power and chassis built on a robust Freightliner custom Liberty Bridge chassis with ZF, independent front suspension and ultra-steer tag axle, it delivers a commanding 605 horsepower from its Cummins X15 diesel engine and Allison's 6-speed automatic transmission, offering unparalleled torque, ride quality, and towing capacity up to 20,000 pounds. Expansive, home-like living space. Spanning up to 45 feet with 3 full-body slide-outs, the Eagle's interior unfolds into 46,843 square feet squares of elegant living space. It features refined finishes such as heated porcelain tile floors, Cambria quartz countertops, Blanco siligranite sinks, solid hardwood cabinetry, and plush leather seating, creating a resort-quality ambiance. Smart technology and safety. A fully integrated multiplex control system, Road Watch with Mobile Eye, OptiView LED instrument panel, autopilot-ready drive tech, and app-enabled Firefly electronics, puts comprehensive control at your fingertips. The coach also comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, electronic stability control, and ABS for secure, confident driving. Self-sufficient comfort. Energy autonomy is smartly handled with a 12.5 kilowatt Onan diesel generator, $2,800 inverter, aqua-hot hydronic heating, lithium battery bank, and up to 600 watt of solar, supporting 24 to 36 hours off-grid excursions. Resort-class amenities, featuring 2 luxurious bathrooms, 1 walk-through ensuite with dual vanities, a master bedroom with king-size memory foam bed and walk-in wardrobe, a gourmet kitchen with residential appliances, dual-zone lounge with theater seating and bar dinette, and outdoor entertainment, 4K TV, Bose soundbar, LED lighting, dual power awnings. IO Camper Truck. The IO Camper Truck redefines off-grid living and adventure travel, combining rugged durability with smart, sustainable design. Built for explorers who demand comfort and functionality, this innovative camper truck is engineered to handle the toughest terrains while providing a home-like experience wherever the journey takes you. Unmatched durability and performance. Built on a robust chassis, the IO Camper Truck is designed for extreme conditions. With reinforced suspension, all-terrain tires, and high ground clearance, it conquers rocky trails, sandy dunes, and snowy passes with ease. The powerful engine options ensure reliability, whether navigating remote backroads or cruising on highways. Smart modular living space. The IO Camper Truck maximizes space efficiency with a modular interior that adapts to your needs. Features include expandable pop-up roof, extra headroom and ventilation, BCM convertible bed and seating, transforms from a lounge to a full-size bed, compact kitchenette, equipped with a stove, sink, and fridge for gourmet meals on the go. Solar power and off-grid capabilities. High-efficiency solar panels and lithium batteries ensure endless power. Tech enhanced for modern nomads. Stay connected and secure with integrated tech. Touchscreen control panel. Manage power, lighting, and climate. 360-degree cameras and advanced GPS for safer navigation and parking. Wi-Fi and Starlink compatibility. Work or stream from anywhere. Eco-conscious and sustainable. The IO Camper Truck prioritizes sustainability with energy-efficient systems, recycled materials, and low-emission engineering, making it the perfect choice for eco-aware adventurers. Truck Surf Hotel. For surfers who chase the perfect break, the Truck Surf Hotel redefines adventure travel. A fully equipped mobile haven that blends comfort, functionality, and surf-ready convenience. Designed for those who live for the ocean, this innovative concept transforms any coastal journey into a seamless blend of exploration and relaxation. Surf anywhere. Stay in comfort. No more cramped vans or expensive beachfront rentals. The Truck Surf Hotel is a self-sufficient mobile base camp featuring sleeps up to 4 with convertible seating and premium bedding, Alcazar shower and gear storage, rinse off saltwater and store boards, wetsuits, and equipment securely, compact kitchen and fridge, prepare meals with a gas stove, sink, and fresh food storage, solar powered up off-grid with renewable energy. Built for the surf lifestyle are Promote, or reported roof or expandable side life, quiet and extra space for changing, lounging, or drying gear. Tech and convenience for nomadic surfers, Wi-Fi and USB charging stations, stay connected between sessions. GPS the best waves in real time, 360 cameras and security, park safely and monitor your setup remotely. Timbercraft Big Sky. For those who demand uncompromising quality and rugged elegance in their adventures, the Timbercraft Big Sky stands as the ultimate expedition vehicle, meticulously crafted with premium materials and engineered for extreme conditions. This luxury overland rig redefines off-grid living without sacrificing comfort or style. Unrivaled craftsmanship and durability, built on a heavy-duty chassis with reinforced suspension, the Big Sky conquers the most challenging terrains, from mountain passes to desert trails. Its handcrafted solid wood and aluminum construction ensures longevity, while advanced insulation keeps interiors comfortable in any climate. Luxury meets functionality. Step inside to discover a refined mobile sanctuary featuring spacious living quarters, high ceilings, premium hardwood finishes, and ergonomic design. A full kitchen with high-end appliances, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, and large fridge freezer. A luxury bathroom, hot water shower, composting toilet, and premium fixtures. Convertible master suite, king-size bed with memory foam mattress and blackout shades. Self-sufficient and tech-enabled. Solar power and lithium batteries. Off-grid energy independence. Urashi hydronic heating and air conditioning. Climate control for extreme environments. Aerobic and 5G connectivity. Work or stream from remote locations. Advanced navigation and security. GPS tracking, 360-degree cameras, and reinforced locks. Houseboat Classic 180. Or those who dream of life afloat without sacrificing comfort or style, the Houseboat Classic 180 redefines waterfront living. This meticulously crafted houseboat blends traditional charm with modern functionality, creating a perfect retreat for weekend getaways or full-time residence on serene lakes, rivers, or sheltered coastlines. Classic design, modern comforts. The Classic 180 showcases timeless nautical aesthetics with its varnished wood trim, spacious decks, and panoramic windows. Inside, the intelligently designed 180 square foot living space features Sobor spacious salon, ample seating with convertible dinette for entertaining, full galley kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and generous storage. Luxurious stateroom, queen-size berth with premium linens. Modern bathroom, compact yet complete with shower and marine toilet. Engineered for easy living. Efficient hull design, stable cruising at 6 to 8 knots with minimal wake. Dual power options, choose between quiet electric propulsion or reliable diesel. Solar-ready roof, pre-wired for sustainable off-grid energy. Climate control, marine-grade HVAC for year-round comfort. Entertainment and connectivity, integrated sound system, Bluetooth-enabled speakers throughout. Smart marine electronics, GPS, depth finder, and wireless docking cameras. Expansive and Morelo Grand Empire 26T. For discerning travelers who refuse to compromise on space, comfort, or performance, the Morelo Grand Empire 26T redefines luxury motorhome living. This 8.7-meter masterpiece combines German engineering precision with lavish interiors, creating a rolling residence that surpasses 5-star hotel standards. Unmatched spaciousness and craftsmanship, built on a robust MAN TGE chassis, the Grand Empire 26T features expansive lounge area with premium leather seating and extendable dining table. Full-height walk-through design, 2.35 meters interior height for uncompromised mobility. Handcrafted cabinetry using sustainable oak veneers and soft close mechanisms. Residential-size bathroom with separate shower cubicle and ceramic toilet. Cutting-edge travel technology. MAN TGE 177 horsepower turbo diesel with 8-speed automatic transmission, 4x4 optional package for adventurous off-grid capability. 360 degrees camera system with night vision for stress-free maneuvering. Intelligent climate control with separate zones for driver and living areas. Luxury living systems. 3.5 kilowatt solar array with lithium battery bank for extended autonomy. Domestic appliances package, including full-size refrigerator and induction cooktop. Home theater system with 40-inch 4K TV and premium surround sound. Hydraulic leveling system for instant stabilization at any location. Customization without limits. Morelo's exclusive Bespoke Edition program allows owners to personalize breeding colors and wood finishes Floor plan configurations, including office or spa options. Exterior paint schemes with metallic premium finishes. Monaco Dynasty 45P. For those who demand uncompromising elegance and superior craftsmanship on the road, the Monaco Dynasty 45P stands as the pinnacle of luxury motor coach engineering. This 45-foot rolling estate redefines mobile living with its handcrafted interiors, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled attention to detail. Unrivaled luxury and spaciousness. SCM residential scale interior featuring premium hardwood cabinetry and designer finishes. MC expansive living area with power reclining leather furniture and hidden storage. Actualing gourmet kitchen boasting solid surface countertops, premium appliances, and walk-in pantry. Actualing lavish master suite with king-size bed, wardrobe system, and ensuite spa bathroom. Premium driving experience. Actualing powerful Cummins ISX 600 HP diesel engine with Allison 4000 mA transmission. Actualing Roadmaster 8-bag air suspension for cloud-like ride quality. Actualing Colt precision steering system with integrated collision avoidance technology. Actualing commercial-grade chassis with 22.5-inch aluminum wheels. Innovative home systems. Actualing smart touch control system managing lighting, climate, and entertainment. Actualing Impulse dual zone HVAC with whisper quiet operation. Actualing 4G LTE Wi-Fi Ranger with roof-mounted antenna for constant connectivity. Actualing 20 kilowatt diesel generator with sound shield technology, entertainment and connectivity. Actualing 4K Ultra HD theater with 50-inch LED TV and premium sound system. Actualing outdoor entertainment center with weatherproof TV and speakers. Actualing central vacuum system for effortless cleaning. The Monaco Dynasty 45P represents the ultimate expression of motor coach luxury, combining residential comforts with legendary Monaco build quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.